Hello everyone. Is your car shifting unpredictably, or is the transmission acting up? If your OBD-II scanner shows P0714, transmission fluid temperature, TFT sensor circuit intermittent, it means the PCM is detecting erratic signals from the transmission fluid temperature sensor. In this video I'll explain what P0714 means, its symptoms, and, most importantly, where to locate the affected sensors and components. Let's dive in. What is P0714? The P0714 trouble code occurs when the transmission fluid temperature, TFT sensor sends inconsistent or fluctuating readings to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. This can cause incorrect transmission adjustments, overheating and shifting problems. If ignored, it can lead to serious transmission failure. Warning: transmission problems can quickly turn into expensive repairs, so diagnosing this issue early is crucial. Common symptoms of P0714. Check engine light on transmission. Overheating warning, harsh or delayed shifting transmission, stuck in limp mode, reduced fuel efficiency, intermittent transmission issues. Sometimes normal, sometimes not. If you're noticing these symptoms, let's locate the faulty components. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To fix P0714, check these key transmission-related components. Transmission fluid temperature, TFT. Sensor location inside the transmission, mounted on the valve body or integrated with the pressure sensor. Function: measures fluid temperature and sends data to the PCM. Transmission Control Module, TCM, if separate from PCM. Location: near or inside the transmission housing. Function: regulates shift points based on temperature and fluid data. PCM, Powertrain Control Module. Location: under the hood near the firewall or battery. Function: processes transmission data and adjusts shifting patterns. Transmission wiring harness and connectors location. Runs from the transmission to the PCM. Function: carries signals between the TFT sensor and PCM. Transmission cooler and fluid lines. Location: near the radiator or inside an independent cooler. Function: regulates fluid temperature to prevent overheating. Common causes of P0714, faulty transmission fluid temperature, TFT. Sensor: if the sensor is malfunctioning or giving erratic readings, replace it. Wiring or connector issues. Loose, corroded or broken wires can cause intermittent signals. Low or contaminated transmission fluid. Dirty fluid can cause incorrect sensor readings. PCM or TCM malfunction. If the PCM fails to process the temperature data correctly, it can trigger this code. Overheating transmission. If the transmission is running too hot, it can damage sensors and wiring. How to fix P0714. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. If it's low, dirty or burnt, replace it immediately. Step 2. Inspect the TFT sensor. Look for damage, loose connections, or internal failures. Step 3. Test the sensor with a multimeter. If the readings fluctuate too much, replace the sensor. Step 4. Inspect wiring and connectors. If you find broken or corroded wires, repair or replace them. Step 5. Check transmission cooler and lines. Ensure they are not clogged or leaking. Step 6. Reset the PCM and test drive. After repairs, clear the code with an OBD-II scanner and monitor performance. Ignoring P0714 can lead to erratic shifting, overheating and potential transmission failure. Fix it early to prevent costly repairs. For more car repair tips, check out these videos: P0682, glow plug control circuit fault, P0683, glow plug module communication fault. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.